My name is Chris Torres and I am the Director of Senshi Digital. We are an international digital agency who help promote tourism businesses worldwide through effective website design and digital marketing. In essence, we help market businesses online, businesses that have to attract particular customers to a specific destination. We help many tour operators, hotels, guest houses, even shopping centres. We do this by telling stories. These days, telling a story is more effective than trying to sell a product. People buy into an experience, people buy into stories, and that is what we do. We help tell your story, help sell your experience, and help attract customers and turn lookers into bookers. Let me give you a bit of my own experience. I've always had a love of Japan ever since I was a child. And we finally, me and my wife, managed to get to Japan a few years ago before we started a family. We did a search online like you would normally do, and we found one company called Inside Japan Tours. And basically they sold us the experience. We knew we wanted to visit Tokyo and Kyoto and see some of the sites. But I felt they really got what I was wanting to try and experience. They had really good content, good copy, good videos, had really good stories from their own tour guides. And on that, because they sold that experience to me, I'd done a lot more in Japan than I even thought that it was possible for me to do. A big example of that was I climbed Mount Fuji. I knew I wanted to see Mount Fuji, but I managed to climb Mount Fuji and see the sunrise from the top. That is an experience that will be with me forever, and it was a highlight of the whole tour. And from that I actually stayed. I was only going to go for 2 weeks and I stayed for a month. And because they sold that experience, they sold the different places that I could see and the different experiences that I could experience. And that is what we're trying to do for our own customers. We're trying to tell your stories, sell your experiences. If you do that, your customers will forget about price. No, they'll want to experience what you have to offer them. And that is a good way to also upsell and cross-sell to them, to sell more items to them and sell more products to them if you don't sell the product but you sell the experience instead. Essentially, we strongly believe that the customer journey starts from the first click. If a website doesn't look great, if it's designed poorly, if it looks cheap, if it functions terribly, then you've lost that customer at the very first part of that journey. You really need to spend the time and the money to invest in a really good website, because at the end of the day, that's where most of your customers, if not all your customers, are going to go to first. And if you have a website that doesn't function properly and doesn't look good, then they're just going to go to one of your competitors and you've lost that potential booking. And it's all about, like I said before, about selling that experience through effective design, really good content on the website, and having that book button no more than 2 or 3 clicks away from the user is vitally important to generating bookings. And then that will lead on all the way through to the marketing aspects. Having that same sort of brand consistency, having the marketing messages consistent on the website all the way through your social media, through your videos, really selling that experience of what you can offer, bringing in your staff to add in their own experiences, even getting your customers to generate content for your website, all helps sell that experience. And then from that, if they lead on to actually going on one of your tours or staying at a hotel, and that experience is then continued all the way through to the very end, you will have a customer who will return time and time again, who will tell and refer you on to their friends and family. That's exactly what we do at Senshi for you. So here at Senshi, the team are completely focused on developing tourism brands. We develop brands through effective website design, marketing as well. So we've got a great bunch of designers here who have designed and built over 60 tourism websites. About 70–80% of our own business is actually international tourism. We help big companies like Greyline. Greyline are the oldest, largest tour operator in the world. They're based in Denver, and we've been helping them for a number of years, as well as a lot of their sort of subsidiary companies develop their brand online. But we can help many other businesses make sure that their online presence is as good as it possibly can be. Like I said, good design helps massively. It has to function well, but then the marketing side, you really need to market well, and that's where our team excel at. We have great people in the marketing team that can really tell your story, really sell your experience, but also help you develop on your social media platforms, help develop the videos that you need to create. We also have experts at PPC. One of our PPC experts have been helping a customer who originally was spending about €4,000 a month on PPC, but only really getting a €500 return on top of that. Really bad return on investment. Within the first month of us taking over that, improving the quality scores, improving the landing pages that those ads were going to, we managed to get over €32,000 in return from the 4,000 spent. So they have been extremely happy, as you can imagine, and that is what we do here. We know how to market to customers for tourism businesses. That is what we do day in, day out, and it's our main focus within the business. For myself, I actually speak at many sort of tourism events. For the past 4 years, I've been speaking to a room of 300-400 people at the Grey Line Conference, where I give them sort of updates on tourism trends and the latest ways that they should be marketing themselves. I'm also speaking at a few events in the UK through the Scottish Government, with the ETAG, etc. So I'm constantly involved within the tourism industry, and we always make sure we're at the forefront of the industry and everything that we do. I'm also in the process of writing a book all about tourism marketing, which will help again just inform people of the best ways that they should be marketing themselves and selling their experiences, and hopefully that's going to be published in the next few months.